Friends, if you want to create macro ASMR videos like this, the kind of videos that get million of views, as you can see here. So you can see these are million of views and only 99 posts. The macro universe is the Instagram account, and this kind of videos is very good. You can see that these videos get more and more views, and this is a trending niche here in the TikTok and Instagram account. So let's start how we can create these videos for YouTube and TikTok and our Instagram account. So now we go to ChatGPT. We will go to ChatGPT. Then I am here, the ChatGPT. Then now click on the Explore GPTs. Okay, so let's search macro ASMR. Macro ASMR and click. Now, then click on the macro ASMR and now click the button Start Chat. Okay, so we get the results here. Now start. Now we get the result. What is this? This is one number one is strawberry, grape, cherry, blueberry, kiwi slice. These are the categories. Then we can type a number object name or type more for more objects. If you want to more objects, then type here more. And if you want to play with this object or to create video with these objects, so these are the suggested objects. So I want to create with strawberry. So type 1 and press enter. Now we get the recommended option strawberry and tweezers. Action, grip and slowly pull the green stem away from the strawberry. So we want to create a video about this action and reveal the pale stem cavity with the tiny surface fibers and most texture. Now choose an option and approve the recommendation. Now this is the recommended option strawberry and tweezers. So this is the action. Now choose an option. We choose an option small scissors and snip the then alternative options, and this is the action. So I want to take this one, then copy and paste and click enter. Now okay, so we get two prompts, text to image and text to image. There is a one prompt from text to image, and there is a second prompt from text to image. Now we will go to the Google Flow. Now we I type the Google Flow and I open this account on the Google Flow. The flow is starting. Now let's click on the new project. The project is opening here. Okay, so project is opened. So now we select the 9:6 because we can create Instagram account videos and TikTok account videos. So we select the 9:16 ratio. Imagine 4, and you can select Nano Banana Pro. You also select Nano Banana 2 and Imagine 4. I select Imagine 4. Now we go to the Chat GPT and we copied the this text. This is the text to image prompt, which is first prompt, and paste it here. Now click here. So this creating my image. Now second, we go to the chat gpt, and now click on this copy icon and paste it here and click here. So it's creating a first image, and this is the second image which is creating face. Now we copy this text to video prompt. Okay, so we get two images as per our prompt. Then now let's create the video. So click on the video. This is the setting here. Click on the video and 9:16 frame and VO 3.1 fast model I choose. Okay, so starting image, which is starting image? Starting image is this and ending image is this. Okay, now paste it. Paste the video prompt. Paste this video prompt, which is I copied here, and paste it here. Now click this arrow. So it will take some of time, but there is mostly uh, 10 to 20 seconds most probably. But this depends on the server, and it depends on your internet speed. So this is generating our video. Okay, so here we go. Our video is generated. I played this video for you. Yeah. So this is the successful video from only two prompts, or two or three prompts. Two prompts for images, and I pasted the third prompt from for video. Then we can download it in 1080 pixel, which is upscaled size. Now, after you download this video, you can upload this video on the Instagram account, and you get the more videos, more subscribers, more followers, and more gainers, and more views. So you can create these viral videos about this. So now subscribe my channel. If my content is valuable, then like it, share it, and if you new on my this channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon and get the results. So goodbye friends, see you later.